Jai Sri Krishna, first time in English in simple story form from Purans. Maharaj Pururava, Episode 17, Sri Harivansh Puran. Vaishampanji recounts that Maharaja Buddha had a son named Pururava, a king renowned for his wisdom and adherence to rituals like Agnihotra and Yagyas. Known for his truthfulness and pure thoughts, King Pururava was chosen by the nymph Urvashi as her husband. Together they roamed the forests joyfully, accompanied by divine beings. From their union, 7 sons were born. There was a reason Urvashi chose to marry King Pururava. It was due to Brahma's curse that Urvashi was bound to live in the human world under certain conditions. To be freed from this curse, she set specific terms for their life together. She told Pururava, "I will never see you naked. I will always have 2 sheep tied to my bed, and I will consume food equivalent to a small amount of ghee each day. As long as you adhere to these conditions, I will remain with you." The king diligently followed the conditions set by Urvashi. However, as the curse's duration reached 59 years, the Gandharvas grew concerned about Urvashi's prolonged stay among humans and sought a way to bring her back. Vishravasu, the foremost Gandharva, proposed a solution. He recalled that Urvashi had vowed to leave the king if he ever broke her conditions. Vishwaravasu assured the others that he knew how to make the king break his promise and would go with his assistant to execute the plan. The Gandharva and his assistants arrived in the king's city and stole one of Urvashi's sheep during the night. When Urvashi informed the king, she said, "King, thieves have taken one of my children." Despite this, the king did nothing. He suspected that Urvashi might see him naked. The Gandharvas then stole the second sheep, and Urvashi lamented, "My sons have been taken away, leaving me like an orphan woman." Since Urvashi cherished the sheep as her own children, the king, distressed, got up naked and chased after the footprints of the sheep. At that moment, the Gandharvas used lightning to expose the king, causing Urvashi to see him naked. Enchanted by the sight, she vanished. When the king returned with the sheep and found Urvashi gone, he was heartbroken and began relentless search across the earth for her. While searching for Urvashi, King Pururava one day saw her bathing and playing with her 5 friends in the Hemvati river at Plaksha Tirath in Kurukshetra. Overcome with sadness, he began to wail. Urvashi, upon seeing him, told her friends, "This is Pururava, with whom I lived." The king called out to Urvashi, "Please wait a moment." Urvashi then told Pururava, "I became pregnant by you, and you will be able to spend 1 night with me each year." Overjoyed, the king returned to the city. At the end of the year, Urvashi visited Pururava and then spent 1 night together. Before departing, Urvashi advised Pururava, "The Gandharvas want to offer you a boon." As for equality with them, Pururava followed the advice and requested equality with the Gandharvas. As a result, the king was granted this boon and attained their level of status. Jai Sri Krishna. In the next episode, we will come to know about Pururava's second son, Amavasu. Episode 18. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.